Okay. Ang next na to ni quantify, we are already done quantifying the reinforcement. Karon ang reinforcement, naman ay higtan man nato na sila no. We are going to use tie wires. Natin na to nga tie wires. So ang tie wires actually nga ginagamit dili lang ni siya for the CHB is gauge number 16. Number 16 nga GI or galvanized iron wire. No, that is the galvanized iron wire, popularly known as GI tie wire. Karon, mag-order kag tie wire dili man na for per feet, per unsa ni feet or by meter. Ang mag-order sa tie wire is by kilograms or per roll. Now karon ang 1 roll is equal to 45 kilograms or approximately equal to 2,385 meters. Sa ato pa, ang 1 kilogram di ay is 53 meters. Okay, so, saan na to na pagkuan? Saan na to na pag-quantify? So, pag-quantify na ang tie wire man is actually lahi gyud na siya no. Depende gyud na siya sa steel man. So, pwede nga yung gamiton is 20 centimeters or 25 centimeters ba or 30 centimeters ba or 40 centimeters no, depende ni steel man. So, as provided na siya. So, depende kung ilang require po as per the plan. So, yeah. So, ang tire, okay. CHB reinforcement, no, generally, ang is 10 millimeters or 12 millimeters, no. Usahay pa, nagsalaning kuan. Napoy 16 millimeters ka reinforcement for the wall, CHB wall. And then, ang iyang kuan, tire wire is nag-vary from 25 to 40 centimeters. So, malang kiningon sa imo ha. So, natay kuan, this method is, so actually nailay nga pamaagi to calculate the tire wire. But this one is per square meters. So pila ang tanaw nimo ang vertical spacing? So we have 40 nga vertical spacing of the bar, 60 and 80. And then we have also the layering, no? 2 layers for the horizontal reinforcement, 3 and 4. And then from there, after getting the kuan, the spacing horizontal is pila man ang length sa katay. So we have 25, 30 and 40. And then kaning mga factors diri multiply na nimo sa kuan. Multiply na nimo sa kung pila to ka square meters. So, okay, let's have for example 3. Example 3 is same ra gyapon siya before, no? Na lang siya nadugang. Previous na tong example, di ba, for the reinforcement is kaniman 80 centimeters ang vertical every 3 layers. Ang dili lang is nadugangan lang aning na 60 centimeters ang in space for vertical and every 2 layers ang horizontal reinforcement. So iyang required diri is 30 centimeters tie wire. Pila daw imong i-order in kilogram. So dali lang. So for 80 cm and every 3 layers, so di ba na naman the area at 12 square meters. So pila man ang kuan no? Kilogram for the tie wires. So we have 12 square meters times factor. So unsa man nga factor itong gamiton? So 80 man daw ang spacing ni vertical bars niya 3 layers. Tas 30 cm man daw. So this is 30 cm nga tie. Katong factor din nga gamiton is 0.024. So 0.024 tayo. So mag-multiply tayo times 0.024. This is actually kilogram per square meters. Nato pa ang kinanglan nato nga tie wire for that one is equal to 0.29 kilograms. Number 16, GI wire. Yan na siya. Dali na kayo. Area method. And then how about daw if ang vertical is 60 centimeters ang spacing and ang horizontal is at 2 layers. So, dali na gyapon gyud kaayo. So you just have the 12 square meters and then you go to the table. So unsa to? 60 ang vertical spacing and horizontal is at 2 layers and 30 centimeters man. So we are going to use 0.44. So you just multiply by it with This is in kilogram per square meters. So ang tie wire nimo nga requirement for this one is just equal to 0.53 kilograms, number 16, GI wire. Manila, solved na. Nana kay tire wire.